Hello, Miss, and now I'm going to do my science practical test. So here are the stuffs. First, you're going to need a cardboard. Next, you need battery. This is the battery, as you can see. Next is a light bulb. Then we need a buzzer that already have cables. Then a clip. We have some wires, tape, and glue. And now we are going to attach the battery to the cardboard using duct tape. As you can see here, this is the product. We just need to stick it real tight. Next, we need to attach the buzzer to the cardboard, and as usual, using the duct tape. Next, we already put the wire to the clippers, as you can see, and now we're going to attach it to the light bulb. And now we are going to put the wires to the light bulb. We're going to attach it and we're going to wrap it up. So as you can see here, this is a buzzer, this is the part of the battery, this is the light bulb, and this is also the clip. So this side over here, where it connects to the red cable, it is the positive, and which the white cable is led to the negative. And to the buzzer over here, the red is positive, and the black cable is the negative. The black cable will eventually stick to the white part of cable right here, and it also will eventually go to the clip that the cable will eventually touch, and this white cable right here leads to the light bulb, and then it will go back to the battery. So that's how the electricity go by the negative and positive parts. Hi, Miss, and this is the final product of my burglar alarm. So when there's a thief or a burglar, and there's probably going to be the trap. So imagine this is the trap, and when the trap turned on because he hit something, it will eventually, the buzzer will light up and the bulb will also light up. But when it's not turned on, as you can see, it is off. So that is my this is my project and my science practical test. Thank you, Miss. I hope you enjoy. Bye-bye.